Baptist. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? This is what it is, boy. Your boy Baptist, Too Big Entertainment, yo. Diablo Mix holding it down. That's what it is, yo. Yeah. Yo, I'm a soldier, not cause I can shoot and kill. I kick reality, trust me, boy, I boot the real. I'm a soldier, rocking black, green, and brown clothes. Well, you're a kid-size black, seeing your brown nose. I'm a soldier, not cause I can shoot and kill. Kick reality, trust me, boy, I boot the real. I'm a soldier, rocking black, green, and brown clothes. Well, you're a kid-size black, seeing your brown nose. I kick rhymes that make people think that I'm nice. My flow goes together perfect like a rink and some ice. People don't understand the struggle till they live in the life. Wish I had the same powers that was given to Christ, so I can make the world better for the girls and boys. Give all the ghetto children a world of toys. I'm black, so you know I want the best solution, but the best solution will be restitution. Nuclear bombs may soon be the end of our nation, kicking ghetto families out cause of gentrification. I bring the real to the world, others are scared to do it. Car theft, come out your house, wondering where's your Buick. Stop talking that bullshit, boy, I hope you're done. Stressed out, so you know I mix coke with rum. Grew up in them blocks where other niggas hold them guns. Talk shit and they use the guns and soak your lungs. So much teams are fucked up, so I guess mine's alone. Nigga bragging to his boy, said yo, I just copped the chrome. Wildin' out in the block, pack full of testosterone. Niggas marrying women cause she's the best rod to bone. Not because of their mindset. Going taught as youngins, our only goal in life is to find sex. Not no success, only to buck text. Man disrespect, boss that face and say what's next. Who's next, just like Bill Goldberg. The next nigga might hit you up and then you get your soul served. A first class ticket to heaven, your life. If it is ending, your boy dead, you can go kick it with brethren. Yo, all this shit makes us forget about the task at hand. All this hostility can make me blast your man. I'm getting older, so I gotta think fast with plans. So I spit this conscious shit like a Rasta man. I spit this real shit like if I preach like a preacher. You wanna judge me? First put your feet in my sneakers, flowing fantastically so that you can see that I'm eager. Rocking black and white clothes like Lee with the beaver. At funerals, check the message that I'm feeding your speaker. Some victims go to heaven and some I see in the reaper. Wish for the day that I can take a seat with the leaders instead of at young men's funerals seated with weepers. Spit reality, trying to enlighten the youth, but other rappers lie. Baptist is writing the truth. I ride for my people like I got a bike in the booth. Maybe soon winning a Juno behind the mic in a suit. Soft niggas walking around like the chest is on these. Real niggas beat them down and leave a mess on their knees. But me, I ain't a follower while the rest of them lead. Far as being a man, I wanna be the best one to breathe. I'm a soldier, not cause I can shoot and kill. I kick reality, trust me boy, I boot the real. I'm a soldier, rocking black, green, and brown clothes. Well, you're a kid-size black, seeing your brown nose. I'm a soldier, not cause I can shoot and kill. I kick reality, trust me boy, I boot the real. I'm a soldier, rocking black, green, and brown clothes. Well, you're a kid-size black, seeing your brown nose. Baptist.